What is employment insurance? Employment insurance, I, is an unemployment insurance program in Canada. It allows Canadian citizens who have recently lost their job to receive financial assistance. Although this assistance is temporary, it's beneficial while these people are looking for new jobs. In fact, EI also provides services to help unemployed individuals find a new job. Employment insurance can also apply to individuals who aren't able to work because of a personal or family illness. It can also apply to those who are caring for young children at home. How much does EI pay per month? In general, employment insurance will pay you 55% of your weekly earnings each week. However, there is a maximum. Currently, the maximum yearly payout is $51,300. This comes out to $543 per week. How long does EI last? You can receive employment insurance payments between 14 and 4 to 5 weeks. This depends on several factors. And why you've applied for employment insurance. What the unemployment rates in your area are, the amount of time that you've worked within the past 52 weeks. The amount of time since you last claimed employment insurance. If you're unsure how long you'll have benefits, you can talk to an accountant, or you can wait until you receive word after applying for employment insurance. How to apply for EI. If you've lost your job, you should apply for employment insurance right away. You don't have to wait for your record of employment, ROI, letter to do this. You have until 4 weeks from the date of your termination to apply for benefits. The longer you wait, the longer you'll go without EI payments. Before you start the application process, you will require the following information. In your SIN, your mother's maiden name, your mail address, your residential address, your banking information in order to sign up for the direct deposit option, the information about all employers that you had for the past 52 weeks, if you quit any job in the past 52 weeks, if you were fired from any job in the past 52 weeks, the dates and earnings for each of the highest paid weeks in the last 52 weeks. How do I apply for EI online? The application for employment insurance is online, so you can fill out all of the necessary information in the comfort of your own home. You should note that the process takes about an hour to complete. What are the requirements for EI? First, you must have worked the required number of hours. Usually, this lies between 420 and 700 hours per year. You must also have made payments into the EI program. At the time of your application, you must have been without employment or pay for 7 days in a row. If you meet all of these criteria, then you are eligible to receive employment insurance payments. What makes me ineligible for Canadian employment insurance? There may be a few reasons that could be keeping you from receiving these payments. Your employer fired you for a good reason. You quit without a good reason. You have not worked for the amount of time required in your area. You have not paid into the EI program. For those first two criteria, it's important that you make your case. The EI application will ask about the circumstances involving your quitting or your employer firing you. EI reporting. While you're receiving employment insurance payments, you have to report every 2 weeks. If you remain eligible, you will keep receiving payments like before. If you're not still eligible, your benefits will stop. For each week of the report, you do the following. Record dates and hours that you worked. A record earnings before deductions. Provide contact information for employers. Enter hours spent at school or in a training course. Indicate whether you were available for work. Report other money earned during the time period. How to submit reports. When you initially applied for benefits, Service Canada mailed you a benefit statement. This gave you a 4-digit access code. In order to submit your reports, you'll need this code as well as your social insurance number, SIN. You can submit your reports online. How do I talk to a real person at Service Canada? If you're without internet service or you'd rather speak with a real person, you can call the telephone reporting service at 1-800-5317555. The number is also in the description. How do I check my EI status? If you want to check your EI status to see whether or not you're still receiving benefits, you can go to your My Service Canada account. How long does EI last? EI benefits can last anywhere from 14 to 45 weeks, but this could be cut shorter if you're no longer eligible for benefits. Will my EI stop automatically? Based on your reports, The government will decide whether or not you'll continue getting benefits. If you're still eligible, you'll still receive payments. If you're not eligible anymore, the payments will automatically stop. Can I extend my EI benefits? You may be eligible for an extension of the benefit period. However, this extension does not change the total number of weeks that you are paid. Here are some common reasons that people may ask for an extension of benefits. They were confined in prison or a similar institution. They were in receipt of earnings because of severance from their employer. They were in receipt of workers' compensation due to injury or illness. How do I know how long my EI will last? In order to find out how long your employment insurance benefits will last, you need to apply for them first. For their calculation, the government can decide how long you should receive these payments for. Getting financial resources in order. Depending on your personal situation, you may or may not be eligible to receive employment insurance benefits. Getting EI benefits will help you get back on your feet. But unfortunately, not everyone is eligible for them if they don't meet the eligibility criteria. So make sure you follow our guide to clarify.